NC State professor charged with stealing money from student organizations made his first court appearance today. WNCN investigates Jonathan Rodriguez live on NC State's campus tonight, learning more about these accusations. Jonathan.
Well, Sharon, his name is Charles Scott Winston. He's been a professor here at State for about 18 years. He served as an advisor for several university student clubs and organizations, and investigators say that's how he was able to funnel out the money.
So you've been charged with 3 counts of embezzlement.
Arrest warrants say Charles Wisnett stole more than $70,000 from 3 different student clubs.
It's really upsetting that any kind of professor, anyone who works at the school would go against those kind of clubs and pay that kind of money, even if he was involved in them.
Most of the money came from the Animal Science Club, where Wisnett served as chief advisor. Police say the student treasurer noticed discrepancies and reported them to the Internal Audit Office. They immediately launched an investigation.
It's really shocking, really. I can't believe that somebody would actually do that, and especially it's our students' money, so money's hard to come by, and when you just got somebody who's taking it, that's really shocking.
The university says Wisnett resigned on February 9th, the day before he was arrested.
This is a trying time for everybody, and we're focusing on these preliminary proceedings, and we'll move on to the next phase at the appropriate time.
In court, his attorney mentioned the professor may have tried to pay some of the money back, but couldn't give us any of the details. The judge put Wisnett on electronically monitored home arrest until his next court date.
I'm glad that we were able to have him be released on pretrial so that we can get him home with his family, and he and I can start working on his defense.
And we asked the university about any payments that Wisnett may have made to try to pay some of that money back. We're still waiting to hear back on that. His wife did not want to comment to us tonight. In the meantime, his professor page on the NC State website has been taken down. We're live at NC State tonight. Jonathan Rodriguez, WNCN News Now.
The prosecution